So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix your iPhone not responding to touch. So the first thing that we need to do, if your iPhone is not responding to touch right, the only way that we can fix this is to go ahead and force restart or reset the device. Now to do this, what we need to do is locate the volume up button, the volume down button, and also the lock button. So essentially what we need to do is we need to quick release the volume up, volume down, and then the lock button. So it will look something like this, right? Volume up, volume down, lock button. And you want to keep the lock button held in until you see it go off. And then what you need to do then is simply wait for the Apple logo to reappear. So as you can see, it's now gone off. And then you should then see the Apple logo reappear, and you can then let go. What this will do is it will fully restart and reset, force reset your device, and then once it comes back on, you will then be able to use your device as normal. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.